Hey, hello, 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 and hello to you. This is Dr. Cosette, and I am extremely excited, you guys. I am America's #1 advisory accountant and tax expert. And today, yes, I said today, right now, I am talking to you. I got a question for you. So we all know that pandemic hit a few months ago. And when it hit, so many of us lost our jobs. Some were furloughed, some went on reduced hours, and you're still feeling the pressure. You're still feeling the pain. You had to go out and you had to apply for unemployment. Some may have even had to defer paying their mortgages, and some are still not even paying rent. So I want to ask you and share with you a few things. Were you part of the sector that was an essential employee, an essential worker, or were you a non-essential worker? You see, one thing that I know, you can answer that question. I don't know the answer to your question, but what I do know, in the industry of finance, we were a sector that was considered an essential sector, meaning we were still running. We didn't have to shut down. We were still able to make things happen, still conduct business, still generate revenue, and still sustain. So I want to ask you, in a time such as a recession, such as a pandemic, where do you want to stand? Do you want to be on the fence where you have to shut down, not be able to afford things, not be able to do things for your family? Or do you want to be on that side that you are an essential worker? I think that I know the answer. Most of you would probably say it's always better to be on the other side where you are continuing to bring in the revenue, continue to bring in the income, to continue to thrive and survive. Guess what? There's no better time. I am offering a tax course for those of you who are looking for an additional stream of revenue, for those of you who are looking for a different career, for those of you who are saying, I am not going back to my 9 to 5, I don't care what it takes. Guess what? I have the opportunity of a lifetime. I have been in the field of tax and accounting for well over 20 years, and I've always been able to thrive and survive, even during the recessions. I think throughout my career, there was a recession in 2007, 2008, and here we are back again. One thing that I can say for sure, you all, is that history has a way of repeating itself. And we're definitely seeing a repeat of what I saw back in 2007, 2008. If you're looking for something different, if you're looking for something new, if you're looking to create an additional stream of revenue, whether that's just during tax season or whether that's all year round, it's time for you to get started. It's time for you to jumpstart. It's time for you to register for my tax course. It is approved by the Internal Revenue Service, and we are also approved by CTEC. All you need to do is click the link below to get started. And guess what? My next tax course, it begins August 26th. All right, that's the next tax course that kicks off. It is a 10-week course. It's an on-week course. I also meet with you guys once a week to go over everything you need to know to be a successful tax professional. All right, what does making $40,000 in 16 weeks look like to you? Could that change the trajectory of where you're already at? 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, and we even have some tax preparers that hit the $100,000 mark their first year out the gate. That could be you. Am I talking to you? If I'm talking to you, then I want you to just click the link below so that you can get started. You can register for my next upcoming class that begins August 26th. And guess what? You can reserve your spot with a non-refundable deposit of $99, and the balance is due days before the course begins. All right? If I'm talking to you, wait no longer. I want to see you in my next tax course. It's an approved course, a 10-week course. All right? I can't wait to see you. In the meantime, I want you to go on out there and have an awesome and amazing day. Take care.